Good morning, children. Yesterday we completed the story Tale of Custard the Dragon. I hope you enjoyed that and you have read the question answers also. Today we are starting the last chapter, the Sermon at Banaras. What do you mean by sermon? Sermon is a lecture, but a sort of religious lecture. Like we are giving you lectures, this cannot be called a sermon. But if a religious guru, if a priest gives you a lecture, that can be called a sermon. In this chapter, you will read one lecture, one sermon, which was delivered by Gautam Buddha to some people, and especially his conversation with a lady who was in pain. Now, can you say that there are some people who never experience pain? I think we can't say it. Everybody experiences pain sometime or the other in his life, but this depends on our understanding of that pain, our reaction to that situation, how we come out of that. And the thing, a common thing which gives pain to everyone is the loss of dear and near ones. If you lose somebody to death who is very near to us, this is irreparable loss and you become inconsolable, at least for some time. It is not possible for you to take interest in the worldly life then. And especially for parents, if they lose their children, they means there are no words to tell them, to console them at that stage. So in this story also you will meet a woman who has lost her only son, and after that she has become sort of mad, and she thinks that the dead son could be converted into a live one. She is going from one place to another, asking for some medicine, asking for some mantra, something which can make her son alive. People are not able to even speak to her. They don't know what to say to her, how to console her. So somebody took her to Gautam Buddha, saying that Gautam Buddha has the power to make her son alive. So she went to Gautam Buddha. Gautam Buddha listened to everything, and then he noticed that it is not easy to console this woman. He will have to do something else. So he told her, yes, I can make your make your son alive. What you have to do, that you have to bring some seeds. He told her to bring some particular sort of seeds from any house in which no one has died. So she says, yes, it's easy, I can go and bring it. So she goes from one place to another. She asked for the seeds and everybody gave her. But when she asked her next question, has no one died in your house till now? Then they were helpless. They said, no, it's not so. We also have lost our near and dear ones. So she was not able to get even a single house where death has not taken place. And after this whole incident, she got to understand the message which Gautam Buddha was trying to give her. Gautam Buddha was actually trying to tell her that everybody has to face this pain. This is more acute in her case because she has lost her son. Otherwise, everybody loses his family members, his near and dear ones. Everybody has to face it. But this doesn't stop our life. Our life continues like this. It goes on like this. We can become sad for some time, but we can't stop living. We have to move on. This is the message which is delivered in this sermon. Chapter is very short, we can say, and we will do it tomorrow. I'll explain and we will also do the question answers tomorrow itself. Thank you.